To fix the error, your shop is not activated on Pinterest for WooCommerce. Follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Pinterest for WooCommerce plugin installed and configured correctly on your WordPress site. This plugin allows you to connect your WooCommerce store to Pinterest, enabling features like product catalogs and shopping ads. Next, verify that your Pinterest business account is set up and connected to your WooCommerce store. Through the plugin, make sure you have a verified business account on Pinterest, as this is a requirement for activating shopping features. Check your email for a verification email from Pinterest and follow the instructions to verify your account. Then, check your WooCommerce store settings to ensure that they are compatible with Pinterest's requirements. This includes having a secure checkout, a clear and consistent product data structure, and accurate product pricing and availability information. After that, review the Pinterest for WooCommerce plugin settings to ensure that your store is properly connected and configured. Check the plugin's documentation for specific instructions on how to set up and configure the plugin for your store. If you have completed these steps and are still experiencing issues, check the Pinterest for WooCommerce plugins troubleshooting guide for common errors and solutions. This guide may help you identify and resolve any technical issues that are preventing your shop from being activated. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Pinterest support or the plugin's developer for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to activate your shop on Pinterest for WooCommerce. By following these steps and ensuring that your WooCommerce store and Pinterest business account are properly set up and connected, you should be able to resolve the error and activate your shop on Pinterest for WooCommerce. This will enable you to take advantage of Pinterest's shopping features and reach a wider audience for your products.